Upbeat financial records of medical companies and strong quarterly earnings of Disney cheered up market sentiment. Today, the US released a series of macroeconomic data which again confirmed troubles in the domestic economy. The US dollar has been trading firmly lower. The Canadian dollar and oil prices reached fresh highs. The US stock market opened in the black. Futures on the Dow Jones rose 0.8% in the early New York session to trade at 26,920 points. The S&P 500 also was 0.4% up at 3,316. Nevertheless, investors cannot shrug off fears about a slowdown in the US economy amid the resurgence of COVID cases. Such developments could assure the authorities to expand a stimulus package. However, the US lawmakers have not approved the bill yet. They pledged to work round the clock to reach the consensus on stimulus measures by the end of the week. The report from the ADP payroll processor confirmed profound problems in the US economy. The US private companies added only 167,000 new jobs in July. Market participants had projected to see a large employment growth with 1.5 million jobs. The US dollar is extending weakness across the board on Wednesday. Its index dropped to 92.53, the lowest level in 2 years, which was recorded last week. In other words, the outlook for the US dollar remains bearish in the medium term. Now the US currency is at the crossroads. Traders are revising their portfolios, wondering whether it will be able to rebound or it will get stuck in the bear's grips. The Canadian dollar is certainly benefiting from the greenback's weakness. The loonie has asserted strength against its American rival. Today, the currency pair is accelerating its downtrend, so the Canadian dollar has gained another 0.5% and hit a 6-year high at 1.3259 against the US dollar. Besides, the loonie owes its strength to rising oil prices. Benchmark oil grades climbed over 3% in the evening trade. Despite hesitations, Brent crude spiked above the level of $46 a barrel. WTI rose to $43.20 a barrel. Today, oil prices have approached the strongest level since March 6. The bullish trend is triggered by several factors. One of them is a steep decline in US oil inventories. Another reason is the devastating explosion in Beirut, which sparked off fears about geopolitics in the Middle East. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of the latest events on financial markets. And see you back tomorrow. Bye.